Hi guys, so we just decided we would do a very quick little Christmas crafty video today. Excuse Aston, he's not feeling 100% because it is 2020. We thought we'd do a toilet roll one. I'm sort of making dinner at the same time, so I'm mostly going to leave this up to the kids once I do a bit of this. So I've done a couple of these already, guys. First thing we need to do is basically fold them in half, so they just make like an overly shaped plate.
Like that.
Olivia and Sam have just gone to obtain some green paint. I've got our special painting towel.
Yeah,
I've got a couple of allocated painting towels. Quite handy things to have. A couple of allocated old towels that are used for craft. We want to chop them into fairly even bits. So what we would do is chop them in half and then in half again. We relocated to the floor because we wanted to use the dining table for actually eating dinner. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to use a glue stick. I think a glue stick will do the trick. We do have a hot glue gun if this fails, but I just think a glue stick will be easier. It's in like little clusters of 5. I think when we get towards the end we might resort to doing them in groups of 4. We'll just see how it goes. I have the hot glue gun. We mean business now. Now I've got one layer here, so I'm actually going to do a double layer on top of these, but first I'm going to glue them together. So while Olivia is gluing her things, I'm actually just cutting out some little circles. These are going to be like the little red berries on it.